welcome to this video on Adobe Experience Platform's integration with Adobe Analytics. My name is Jonathan Bush, Senior Enterprise Architect in Adobe Consulting Enterprise Architecture Team. Enterprise Architects with Adobe Consulting are technical leaders on customer engagements, and we work across the Adobe stack with Adobe customers. In this video, we're going to discuss some important aspects when looking to integrate Adobe Analytics with Adobe Experience Platform. There are some great advantages to utilizing Adobe Analytics data within AEP. You may want to take site behaviors captured in Analytics and use that to enrich customer profiles for segmentation or personalization. You may want to capture this data for insights within AEP's CJA tool or Data Distiller, where you can query against this data for insights. Let's talk about some of the highlights and advantages to using Adobe Analytics in Experience Platform. A major advantage with integrating Adobe Analytics is that it has a built-in source connector with Experience Platform. This is available in the source connector catalog in AEP. This allows easy integration of analytics data, where an XEM schema in Experience Platform be configured based on your analytics tags. You can also customize your mapping if your use case requires a field to be configured in a separate way. When connecting analytics into AEP, you'll be mapping a particular report suite from Analytics. Keep in mind that a report suite can only be mapped to one AEP sandbox at a time. Also know that AEP sandboxes can have multiple report suites mapped to it if there's a need for that, but any specific report suite can only be mapped to one sandbox at a time. This may be a consideration if you have more development environments than development analytics suites. Be mindful how you plan this in development and in production. You have the option of mapping data from Analytics to solely the AEP data lake or the data lake and profile store. Ensure that you'll be using Analytics data to enrich audiences before activating profile, as your Analytics data will count against your CDP profile license allotment. Depending on where your data from Analytics is being ingested in Experience Platform, be aware that there are different cadences for data ingestion. If you're using Analytics for Target or A4T, keep in mind that this does impact data ingestion speeds if you're bringing your analytics data into profile, but should still bring the data in under 15 minutes in data sync. For data lake, the timing is within 90 minutes. Another powerful thing to note is that the analytics connection will populate historical data, but keep in mind that this will take additional time, up to 4 weeks, and the historical data will not be ingested to profile. Lastly, know that AEP Source Connector for Analytics will not provide real-time data. If you're looking to bring in web data in a real-time fashion, you'll want to utilize Web SDK to bring that data in. You may be already using Web SDK to feed your analytics data, and you can connect this with a separate data stream from Web SDK into AEP. Should you not have Web SDK configured or lack a real-time use case in RTCDP, the Analytics Connector provides great capabilities. We hope that you have enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. We'd love to hear from you. And you can reach us at acs-ea@adobe.com with feedback or suggestions.